Alrighty, so finally after like a month and a half, got the car pulled in at work. I got permission to use the shop. Pedro, do you want to be in the video? You okay? Pedro's gonna help me out here. He's a good man, far better mechanic than I am. So I'm gonna start by unbolting the shifter, and then we'll get it up in the air, get the final bolt that's underneath, and then we can drop out the trans. I have all the parts pulled out over here in the corner. Got the test pipes, all the clutch things are in there. That's new fluid, the RJM clutch pedal, and then the cat back as well. But I'm gonna get to work, and they're just finishing up their work over there. So I got the shifter thing unbolted up there. It's like halfway on right now because I still need to get the bolt that attaches the shifter like rod underneath. But we got the car set up on the 2 posts, and I just got to send it up in the air. So. A look at it from underneath. Yeah, this is where we're going to be doing all the work in it. I don't have it all the way up as far as we're going to go, just because I need some arm room right now, but it's pretty good. You can kind of see where the headers end there. And then I just finished getting the cat back out. So the next thing I think will be to work on getting the drive shaft out, and from there, I think we can start taking down the transmission brace and all that good stuff. Pedro reminded me to take a update. So we got the drive shaft and everything out. We got the transmission up on the jack. We just took the last bolt out, so we should just be sliding it out next. There's the drive shaft over here. The transmission brace. I think I might be missing a bolt up there. Whoever was working on this last on the transmission maybe did not put it back, or it fell out or something, but we made it this far and it's been fine, so. We got the transmission out, and on the inside now we got a view of the whole clutch in here. This is all OEM. Oh yeah, it says Nismo right there. So OEM, I was missing this bolt up here, so I'm gonna take one of these extra ones from down here and just toss it up there, just so it's got a little more mounting from up top. There's the starter. Here's the OEM dual mast flywheel, and then the clutch and pressure plate. We just got the lightweight one from Z-Speed tossed in here, looking pretty good. I got ARP bolts in there. One of the bolts when it came out, the OEM ones, kind of bungled it a little bit. We just kind of walked it in there gently, and everything worked out okay. We got Loctite on those, torqued them all down to spec, and I think the next thing should be the clutch and pressure plate. Got the pressure plate with the clutch disc in there. You can see I got the alignment tool there, keeping everything where it should be. So there's an order you have to torque these in, so kind of just followed that. One around on all of those. You have to do a round at 11 foot-pounds and then back around at 29 foot-pounds. So just did the round at 29 and it's all torqued up there. So we got the slave cylinder relocation kit in there. Here's the fork actuating it. It's how it should have come from the factory. I don't know why they'd use such a silly design, but there's that. So we're just gonna throw the transmission back in there, run the slave cylinder. It uses one of the starter bolts. I already have the line hooked up for it. And then from there, it should just be putting it back together, putting the exhaust in, and I think, oh, and then the clutch pedal as well. All right, we skipped to the end just for, sorry for continuity, but we got held up and it took us forever. It's nighttime now, but Pedro's gonna start it up, and we got the new exhaust and everything, and we're gonna see if the wheels are off the ground, so we'll see if the clutch and everything engages properly. Sounds mean, sounds good. Any engine lights? No? Okay. So you wanna put it in first? It's rolling. Oh, here it goes. Yeah. All right. All right. Brakes? Yeah, it's all good, man. Heck yeah. Alrighty, well, it's the next day. As you may notice, there is no exhaust tips on there because I couldn't quite get them. We tried using the clamps. They come in these funny little tubes. We tried using these clamps that come with it. But it wasn't, I don't think it's an issue with the clamp so much because it's not like bottoming out. It's just not compressing the actual, like, hang on. It's not compressing the part of the tip that has like the slots in it, like you can kind of see there. So I think what I'm gonna have to do later, I don't have time right now, but cut with an angle grinder like 1 or 2 extra slits to help it, just to make it a little more malleable so it can crush around the actual pipe where it ends right there. The last clip of me driving it when I was backing out, pretty embarrassing. Figured out what the problem was. I had to adjust the fulcrum point because the clutch pedal is like basically fully adjustable. So I had to adjust the fulcrum on there, so now the pedal feels a little bit lighter and I have a little more room for like modulation. The car is absolutely filthy, but me and Josh and maybe Eli as well are gonna go and wash cars and go on a cruise because I'm itching to put some miles on this thing so I can break the clutch in and then give it a rip. I really do gotta say something about Pedro as well from yesterday. Like, that man is just absolutely awesome. He gave like 10 hours out of his Friday night to help some dumb kid work on his car, and I am paying him. Always pay your mechanics, especially when they do good work like him, but I seriously couldn't have done it without him, and I can't believe I was even considering trying to do this without a jack or even without help. Yeah, shout outs to Pedro, man. You're awesome, dude. I seriously appreciate you. Alrighty, so we're at the car wash. Mr. Josh has my keys because I want him to feel how the clutch is. He's gonna pull my car into the wash bay for me.
Yeah, ladies, I am the proud owner of a brand new 370 ZV. There's a very different clutch on there, my man. What intonation?
Oh yeah, does it get declined?
No way. No. All right.
Brokey.
Shut up, dude. Come on, baby. All right.
Take it. Oh, card approved. All right. We're all washed up.
It's $4.
Four for regular?
Yeah, dude.
How much am I paying?
By the way, shorter time rest.
Yikes. I only need about half a tank though, but man, and excited to go on a cruise and put some miles on to break in this clutch, man. I'm starting to get the hang of it starting first, I think, but it's still pretty different. It's not as on-off as it was before I adjusted it, but still.
Time flies when I look into your eyes. Time and time again, you show me what I really want. Yeah. Dark to light, you got my emotions high. Give a sign to show me that we got something in common. And you know it. Put this thing in motion. Eyes are like the ocean, locking on to me. And you know it. Till my heart, you own it. Whip it like you stole it. Yeah. 95 driving on the speedway on a weekday. When I call to look at you, I couldn't see straight. You know I'm thinking about you. You know I'm thinking about you. Hop into the sea, babe. We don't need to wait. Since I met you, ain't no way I'll ever be the same. You know I'm thinking about you. You know I'm thinking about you. Yeah, about you. Show me how to. It's a forever thing, don't wanna live without you. Every time I talk to you, I gotta talk to your view. And I got a lot to lose, 'cause I gave a lot to you. And I know we started all of this on friendship, baby, but I'm trying to get the answers like forensic, baby. And the way I feel about you is cemented, baby. Oh no. 95 driving on the speedway on a weekday. When I call to look at you, I couldn't see straight. You know I'm thinking about you. You know I'm thinking about you. Hop into the sea, babe. We don't need to wait. Since I met you, ain't no way I'll ever be the same. You know I'm thinking about you.
Does this mic make me look fat?
Had a pretty good cruise. Josh was going fast, man. I couldn't keep up with him with the camera, but I did my best to get some cinematic shots. Yeah, I know that he has a car that can handle some turns with some suspension.
Throw all that elbow grease that went into it.
3 weeks worth of suspension
3
work.
weeks worth. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Oh, is it still zoom? No, it's not.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, let's go ahead, check out the view.
Yeah. See us out here. You think we made it to the top of this mountain? Up to this house? People peering out over us, asking us questions? Solely because we just sat around all day, did nothing? No. We spent 3 weeks under a car to get up here. Yes, sir. I learned about balance when I was 4. They beat me with a stick, put me on top of a telephone wire.
What?
Watch this shit.
Yo! Bro's doing it for the vine. Bro's doing it for the vine. Freaking POV parkour chase, dude. I can't keep up.
Spin move. Wow.
Oh, I guess this is the spot.
Wow.
Making the trek back down.
Sorry, he's going through a lot, guys. Give him a break.
Going through something.
Yeah, clip that one.
Dude, the VTEC crack on that B series is nice. We stopped for a minute to chat to those guys. He was really cool, really nice guy.
We don't have mics on right now, so I'm gonna yell at all of you guys.
Oh yeah. Oh well, whatever. We're going home. Alrighty, so it's the next day. I finally got my plates on. I forgot about those yesterday. And I got the exhaust tips on as well. The exhaust sounds great, just like I remember it, so I'm gonna do a little startup clip. It's not a proper cold start or anything, but even so, sounds pretty good. anyways, I really like the pops that are on it. I think the pops sound great, and if you can see by watching the way the RPMs go up as well, that lightweight flywheel makes a big difference. Like, it revs up zippy now. Anyways, I'm gonna go get some burgers with Josh, and then we're hitting up Bald Peak again. I'm just doing anything I can to get miles on this clutch so I can, you know, properly drive it. Gotta break it in. I think this is going to be the end of the video because I already have...
We can't finish videos for crap, dude.
I already
So
have
bad at
enough
this.
footage to edit as is, dude. If I add any more to this, it's going to take me like 2 weeks to get done. So that's going to be it. We're going to still do some more cruising. I've got freaking miles and miles still to put on this thing, but it drives good. It sounds good again. And yeah, I think probably...
I'm gonna end up on the side of a cliff one of these days, dude. My cross at an intersection, man.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
You're right.
I've been trying. I saw this thing that I've been like trying to go by is like, don't say anything that you're not okay with being a prophecy.
Valid.
So I'm trying to do that. I'm pretty sure I heard that from Taylor Welch on the Deep End or something like that. Maybe I can steal his like big following by using his name in my video. Yeah, I'll tag him. Maybe someone will.
Yeah. That'll bring him in.
Yeah. All right. Well, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys very much for watching.